Do you ever step into your backyard or patio and wish you had just a little more privacy? Maybe a cozy corner where you can sip your morning tea, read the paper, or just listen to the birds without feeling like the whole neighborhood is watching? I remember those days when my little garden felt more like a stage than a sanctuary. But then I discovered some creative, affordable Dollar Tree hacks that completely transformed my backyard and gave me the peaceful, private space I'd been dreaming of. And today, I'm sharing them with you 10 simple and senior-friendly DIY privacy screen ideas, all using Dollar Tree finds. They're inexpensive, easy to put together, and most importantly, doable for anyone, no matter your energy level or gardening experience. And here's the fun part. You'll want to stay with me until the very end because idea number 10 is so clever, it just might become the centerpiece of your garden. Welcome, my friends, to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. I'm so grateful you're here today, taking time out of your day to spend with me. Our community is growing beautifully with senior gardeners from the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, and all over the world, and together we're proving that gardening in our golden years can be joyful, creative, and most of all fun. Before we dig into these ideas, may I ask a small favor? If you enjoy videos that make gardening feel simple and joyful, please tap that like button, subscribe, and maybe even leave a comment. It really helps YouTube recommend this channel to other senior gardeners who are looking for inspiration just like you. Plus, it helps us grow our little gardening family. Hack 1: Lattice with zip ties. Alright, let's jump right in with our first idea, one of the easiest and most effective ways to add instant privacy to your space. And the best part? You only need two things from Dollar Tree: their lightweight garden trellis panels and a pack of zip ties. That's it. Here's how you do it. Just line up the panels side by side, connect them with the zip ties, and then secure the whole thing against a railing, a fence, or even a couple of planters. Within minutes, you've got yourself a charming little wall. Now here's a bonus touch I love. Grab some of Dollar Tree's faux vines or flowers and weave them right into the trellis. It adds greenery, even if you don't want the work of watering real plants. And the panels are so light you don't need to worry about heavy lifting. This is perfect for creating privacy on a balcony, patio, or even a little garden nook. Simple, budget-friendly, and best of all, easy on the hands and back. Hack 2: Hula Hoop Privacy Curtain. Now for hack number 2, and this one makes me smile every time. Remember hula hoops from our childhood? Well, who would have thought they'd make the perfect frame for a privacy curtain? Here's how it works. Head to Dollar Tree, grab 2 hula hoops, a lightweight fabric, or a couple of shower curtains, and some hooks. All you need to do is cut the hoops open, slide the fabric or curtains through, and then hang them from your patio beam, pergola, or even a clothesline. The result? A flowing, breezy privacy curtain that looks charming and adds shade too. And let me tell you, it's a conversation starter. Guests always laugh when they find out the secret is hula hoops. I love this one because it gives you flexibility. You can close the curtains for privacy or slide them back when you want to enjoy the open air. And the best part, no fancy tools, no heavy work. Just a little creativity and you've got yourself a cozy private retreat. Hack 3: Plant Pot Wall. Now hack number 3 is a classic and one that works beautifully for seniors who love the look of plants but don't want to build anything complicated. It's what I call the plant pot wall. All you need are some inexpensive planters from Dollar Tree, line them up side by side, fill them with tall plants, faux or real, and just like that, you've created a natural privacy screen. You don't need a hammer, nails, or anything fancy, just pots and plants. Here's a little tip: put some stones or sand at the bottom of each pot to make them stable, but fill the rest with lightweight fillers so they're not too heavy to move. That way, if you ever want to rearrange your space, it's easy to shift them around. This is one of my favorites because it doubles as decor. You're not just adding privacy, you're also adding beauty. Hack 4: Garden Netting with clothespins. And now, hack number 4 is as simple as it gets, and it might just remind you of hanging laundry back in the good old days. Pick up some garden netting from Dollar Tree, string it up where you'd like a little privacy, and then use clothespins to clip on fabric panels, vines, or even outdoor scarves. That's it. No tools, no fuss. I like this one because you can change it up whenever you want, clip on some bright fabrics in the summer, something cozy in the fall, or faux greenery if you'd like it to stay fresh all year round, and if you can clip laundry on a line, you can make this privacy screen. It's that easy. A little humor here: my neighbor once teased me saying it looked like I'd hung laundry out front, but after a few days she came over and asked me to help her make one too. So it turns out, this simple trick has charm. Hack 5: Laundry basket wall. Alright, let's move on to hack number 5. This one's surprisingly stylish and it all starts with Dollar Tree laundry baskets. Yes, you heard that right. Laundry baskets. Here's what you do: grab a few, cut the bottoms out, and then use zip ties to connect them together. Stand them upright against a wall, a fence, or even along your porch railing, and suddenly you've got a patterned privacy divider. For an extra touch, you can spray paint them in a color that matches your garden decor, maybe a soft green or even a cheerful white. It looks far fancier than it sounds, and it's very light, so there's no strain on your back. The first time I tried this, my neighbor thought I had bought some kind of fancy lattice panel and couldn't believe it when I said it came from the Dollar Tree laundry aisle. Hack 6. Shower curtain screen. Now, hack number 6 is another easy favorite, especially if you love patterns and colors. All you need are a couple of shower curtains from Dollar Tree, some string or rope, and a few hooks. Just hang the shower curtains in a row, almost like you're putting up a clothesline, and you've got yourself a breezy, cheerful privacy screen. The best part is, you can pick designs that fit your style. Want tropical leaves? They've got it. Want something simple and white? Easy. And here's a sweet touch: it reminds me of the old days when we used to hang laundry outside and watch it sway in the wind. Only now, instead of socks and towels, it's pretty curtains giving you shade and privacy. And the beauty of this hack? If one curtain ever wears out, it costs just $1 or so to replace. Simple, affordable, and oh so practical. Hack 7. Crate wall privacy divider. Hack number 7 is what I like to call the crate wall. Dollar Tree often carries those lightweight wooden-style crates, and with just a few of them you can build a beautiful vertical screen. Here's how you do it. Stack the crates on top of each other, secure them with zip ties or a little hot glue if you like, and then slip in potted plants, faux flowers, or even small garden lights. What you end up with is a mini vertical garden that doubles as a privacy divider. It's functional, pretty, and gives you the joy of gardening without bending or stooping too much. And don't worry about perfection. This is one of those projects where a little uneven charm actually makes it look more rustic and inviting. Hack 8. Picture frame screen. Now, hack number 8 is one of my favorites because it feels so crafty and creative. All you need are a few Dollar Tree picture frames. Pop out the glass, add some chicken wire or mesh in its place, and then hinge the frames together like little folding panels. You can leave it simple for a modern look, or decorate it with faux greenery ribbons or even photos for a really personal touch. It's like making your own mini privacy wall out of nothing but picture frames. I'll tell you a little story. When I first made mine, I set it on the patio, and my daughter thought I'd bought it from a boutique garden shop. When I told her it was all Dollar Tree frames, her jaw dropped. Hack 9. Hanging basket curtain. Hack number 9 is such a charming way to add both privacy and greenery. All you need are a few Dollar Tree hanging baskets, some lightweight chain or rope, and a bit of creativity. Here's how it works. Line up several hanging baskets in a row, attach them to a beam, a fence, or even a tall planter, and fill them with greenery, real plants if you're feeling energetic, or faux vines if you'd prefer something maintenance-free. The effect is like a curtain of plants, soft, airy, and beautiful. It creates a gentle screen while still letting the sunlight peek through. And the best part? You can make it as long or as short as you like. Think of it as hanging up nature's jewelry in your garden. Hack 10. The Dollar Tree Garden Gate Illusion Screen. And now, friends, here we are at hack number 10, the one I promised you'd want to stay for. This is the most magical transformation of them all. With just a few Dollar Tree pool noodles, some faux ivy, and zip ties, you can create what looks like a decorative garden gate or archway. Here's how: shape the pool noodles into an arch or rectangle, tie them together with zip ties, and then weave in the faux ivy until it's covered. When you place it at the entrance to your garden or corner of your yard, it gives the illusion of a grand gate, something that looks custom-made but costs just a few dollars. I can't tell you how many times guests have asked me, "Where did you buy that?" And every time I smile and say, Dollar Tree and a little creativity. It's the kind of project that makes you proud because it proves that beauty doesn't have to be expensive, and you don't have to be perfect to create something wonderful. So my friends, let's quickly look back at the 10 Dollar Tree privacy screen hacks we explored today. We started with the easy trellis wall with zip ties, then turned childhood memories into a hula hoop privacy curtain. We built a natural plant pot wall and even clipped together a garden netting with clothespins. We discovered the laundry basket wall and added color and charm with a shower curtain screen. Then came the crate wall privacy divider, followed by the crafty picture frame screen. For greenery lovers, we created a hanging basket curtain, and finally, we finished with the magical Dollar Tree garden gate illusion, the showstopper of them all. Now, remember, gardening is not about perfection. It's about joy, creativity, and making your space feel like yours. Even the smallest step, a pot, a curtain, a basket, can turn a simple corner into a cozy sanctuary. And that's something worth celebrating. If you enjoyed these ideas, I'd love for you to join our growing family here at Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. Please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need a little inspiration for their garden. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear which hack was your favorite, or if you have your own Dollar Tree garden secrets to share. When you like, comment, and subscribe, it helps YouTube recommend these videos to other senior gardeners in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, truly anywhere in the world. Together, we're building a supportive, joyful community where no one gardens alone. Thank you for spending this time with me today. It truly means the world. Your garden, just like you, is full of potential and beauty. So go ahead, try one of these hacks, add your own personal touch, and enjoy the peace and joy it brings. Until next time, my friends, keep growing, keep creating, and most of all, keep enjoying these golden years. You deserve it.